we have absolutely stunning space news. For the first time, astronomers have detected low-frequency hum of gravitational waves echoing throughout the universe as background noise. The gravitational wave background is a faint echo of gravitational waves, which are ripples in the fabric of space-time, produced by the collective motion of countless massive objects over billions of years throughout the universe. To detect this, astronomers created a network of 68 pulsars in the Milky Way and radio telescopes worldwide. Pulsars are rapidly rotating neutron stars that emit regular pulses of radio waves, and when gravitational waves pass through the space between Earth and the pulsars, it slightly stretches the space, resulting in small changes in the arrival time of these pulsar signals. And by carefully observing and collecting data from these pulsar signals for 15 years, scientists were able to detect the background hum of gravitational waves. This is a major breakthrough in astronomy. It opens up a new window to look at the universe, and it has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos.